Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Hello, everyone. Please, I'm so sorry. My network went off, please. Hello, guys. I'm so sorry for the interruption, please. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. S. and David. I'm so sorry for the interruption. Please, somebody should help me share the link with them, please. Someone should help me share the link. They say that they can't. Please, can someone help me share the link for this new one, please? Please, can someone help me share the link in the... Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's give them some time to reconnect, please. Let's give them some time to reconnect, please. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for sharing the link. Thank you, thank you. So, are we ready to go? Are we ready to continue? I need your opinion. Guys, I need your opinion. Do you prefer this live tutorial, or do you prefer um, me recording the video and sending it out? Which one do you prefer? Please, I need your opinion, okay? Please. Do you prefer this live, or do you prefer I record it and I put out the video? Which one would you prefer? Which one do you prefer? Please let me know in the comment section, please. Please tell me, which one do you prefer? Live tutorial like this, or do you prefer me recording it and pushing it out? Which one would you prefer? Please, I need your opinions, please. Are you guys still with me? Okay, live video. Live video. Okay. Okay. Live. Okay, so live, everybody. Okay, live seems to take. All right. Okay, so thank you very much for coming back. All right, I cannot continue to wait for others. Okay, they can actually see it later. Okay, so okay, now it's okay, it's okay. Thank you very much. Let's concentrate. Okay, so now let us talk of how we can write our first program, especially in that. Okay, for now we are not going to be dealing with Visual Studio Code or installing Flutter SDK or sort like that. If you have Visual Studio Code, it is fine. If you have Flutter SDK, it is fine. But let us talk of how we can write code, our code on the browser. Okay, I have two options for you. The first one is Datpad. Okay, the first one is Datpad. So I would need to share the screen. Okay, I will need to share the screen. The first one is Datpad. Okay, okay, so now if you go to your browser, all right, and you type datpad.dev, let me take this one off and open a new browser. If I say datpad, okay, and search for Datpad, if I just search for Datpad, okay, if you search for Datpad, all right, it's going to take you to a place like this. So just click on this, okay, and you will see the Datpad will open for you. So here you can write your code. So okay, if you can see my screen, my Datpad, please let me know in the comment section. If you can see my screen, please let me know in the comment section. If you can see my screen, please let me know in the comment section. If you can see my Datpad, let me know in the comment section. All right, wonderful, 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 wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. Okay, for you to write your first Dat program, this is what it looks like. Now, this thing you're seeing here is called a function. All right, for every software will have an entry point. Okay, even if you don't understand what I'm trying to explain now, just get it that every software will have an entry point. And for that application or Flutter application, the entry point is a function called main function. That is what we are seeing here. But don't worry, later we are going to be discussing more about this function. So, but right now, I just want to print to the console and I want to say hello world. Okay, and I will end with a semicolon. Okay, so if I come here and click run, all right, it is going to run this code. But one thing with Datpad, it is slow. Okay, because it is compiled to JavaScript, then it will not run. It is slow, and that is why we'll be choosing. I don't know if my network is strong. Okay, so now the thing is okay, let me run this. I don't know, for some reasons I don't know why it's not running, but this is Datpad. You can use Datpad to run your program, so write your program. But the one we are going to be using more often, I think it is way better than Datpad, is Replit. Just type in replit.com in your browser and it will take you to Replit. Just type in replit.com, it will take you to Replit. So when you come here, first of all, it will ask you to sign up. Okay, if it will ask you to sign up. Then when you sign up, you will now get a dashboard like this, my own. Okay, now you can come and create a new repo. If you come here and click create new repo, okay, it would open something like this. In case you do not see favorite, just like my own is, it's just because I have created some Dart program here already. If you don't see it, just scroll down, okay, or you can search for it. You can search for Dart. Okay, once you get it, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will now ask you to give it a name. Okay, so you will give it a name. I already have a repo that I created. I called it Flutter course, but let's just call this one my first program. Let's just call this one my first program. Okay, my first program. And once you are giving it a name, you click on create repo. Once you do that, you see it will open like this, and it will take some time depending on your browser, your internet strength. And this is it. So this is where you write your code. Like I said, every application have an entry point, and for that the entry point is the main function. So if you have something like this, if you just click run, okay, it would print the hello world. And you can see this one is faster than the Dart part, so I prefer this one. Guys. I prefer this one. So this one is faster. Okay, so please, I need to make sure that you guys understand what I did. Please, can someone tell me how to create your first program using Replit.com? Can someone tell me? If someone understands what I just said now, please, can someone tell me how do you create your first program in Replit.com? Please, I'll be waiting. I just want to make sure that we're on the same page, please, okay? I want to make sure that we're on the same page, please. I'm waiting. Can someone tell me how to create your first program? Okay, what are the steps? So that let me make sure that you guys understand what I'm saying. Can someone let me know? I even want to make sure that you guys are with me. All right, thank you very much. Happiness says sign up and create your account, then input your code after the entry point and click run. Amazing. Okay, that means, okay, you guys are with me. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. So now let's take a look at some other things here. Okay, now the first thing we are going to take a look at something we call comments. Okay, now comments are what you use to give a note. Okay, sometimes when you're writing your code, you don't really you might forget what you have written, or you would want your colleagues, people who are going to use your code, you will want to give them a note, but you don't want the compiler to compile it. Now, the comments you're going to be writing, they are not going to be part of the code. Okay, the compiler will not see it as part of your code, so the compiler will not compile it into machine language. That means your comments will not be executed by the computer. Okay, so you just use it to give a note, to give a descriptive note, give a description of what you're writing. Because the thing is this: when you write your code today, tomorrow you might forget it. You might forget the reason why you wrote. You might forget everything that you have written. So, but when you have comment, it will help you to remember, okay, this is the reason why I did this thing. And also, if other people are also reading your code, it will also it will help them to understand the code that you have written. So comments are a way of you describing something or taking notes in your program when you're writing your program, but it is not executed by the compiler. It is not it's not executed by the compiler. It's not executed by the computer. So we have three types of comments. The first one is called a single line comment. And how do you write a single line comment? Okay, this is how you write a single line comment. Okay, all right. This is how you write a single line comment. Let me just go to my editor and I will show you. I would show you how you write a single line comment. Okay. Okay, so now let's come over here and write a single line comment. Now, like I said, okay, a single comment is you want to give a description. Let's say now I have something like print hello world. I will just give a description here. I will say that I will use double forward slash. That is single line comment. It means that everything I'm going to write are going to be on the same line, single line. So use double forward slash, okay? And I can say this line says, this line prints hello world to the console. Okay, to the console. Now, this is a single line comment. You start it with double forward slashes, okay? And you can see that it has a different color. It has a different color. And if I run this program now, okay, the only thing that will be printed is hello world. This line prints hello world wasn't printed out, okay? So it is a way of giving a description. You might write your code and tomorrow you forget it, or another person might use your code. It will help them to understand better. Okay, so this is single line comment. Okay, now the second one we'll take a look at is multi-line comment. We'll take a look at multi-line comment. And how do you write multi-line comment? You can write multi-line comment. Let's say multi-line comment, as the name suggests, it means that the comment will span more than one line. So how do you write multi-line comment? Let me give more space here, and I'll say this is a multi-line comment, and this one too. Even this one. Okay, you can see there are two types of multi-line comments. You can use the forward slash into multiple lines, the way I have written it this second time. Okay, we have 3 lines in this multi-line comment, but in the first one we have the single line comment. We just have only one comment, only one line. Okay, so this is how you write a multi-line comment with double forward slash. You can also write a multi-line comment by starting with forward slash star, okay, then star forward slash. So anything you put inside of here will be seen as a multi-line comment. This is a multi-line comment. Okay, so I can have a whole lot inside here. Okay, so this is another way of writing a multi-line comment. The first comment we discussed about is the single line comment. It's just the comment will only span across just one line, but multi-line comment will span more than one line. And you have two ways of doing it. One, you can use the double forward slashes, okay, to start the lines, just like the one I have here. We have three lines here, and we all started them with double forward slash, okay. Then the second way is that you can start multi-line comment with a forward slash star, then it will end with a star forward slash. So anything that will be inside of this would be seen as a multi-line comment, okay. So this is one, okay. So the third one is called documentation, but for some reasons I wouldn't want to discuss it here because it might cause some confusion. But whenever, as we progress in this course, okay, whenever there is need for us to use it, I would mention it, okay. So but I wouldn't want to cause more confusion because it will be harder for you to understand, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, I would want you to let me know. I have some few questions for you, okay. So tell me, so we have tell me how many types of comments did we just discuss now? Okay, tell me how many types of comments did we just discuss now, and tell me how to create them. Please tell me in the comment section, tell me how to create them, okay. Tell me in the comment section how to create them. Please tell me in the comment section how to create them. Okay. Okay. All right. And this is where we would call it a night. Okay. I wouldn't want to take you guys more than 1 hour every day. Okay. So from tomorrow by 8 p.m. again, we'll come back again and would start the class. Okay. I am waiting for your responses. Okay. All right, so I'm going to give you an assignment, okay. I'm going to give you an assignment. I would want you to do a screenshot. I want you to do a screenshot of your first program, the first program you have written on Replit.com. I want you to do a screenshot and send it to me, okay. I want you to also in that your first program, I want you to print out and say, hello world, I am a software developer. All right, I want you to say, hello world, I am a software developer. Print it out to the console, and that is one. Do a screenshot, show me your first program in Replit.com. Print out, hello world, I am a software developer. All right, then secondly, I want you to make a single line comment and also a multi-line comment. Use the two approaches for multi-line comment, okay. Use the first approach for multi-line comment and use the second approach for multi-line comment. So I want you to print out, hello world, I am a software developer. I also want you to write a single line comment and also a multi-line comment. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call it a night. I'm not going to bother anybody about the assignment, but I can only attend to you one-on-one. If you need my help, I can only attend to you when I see that you do my assignment. But if you don't do my assignment, no problem, okay. This course is free of charge already. If you do the assignment or not, no wahala. You can always attend this class, but I can only attend to people who do my assignments. I've just given a simple one, so I'll be expecting your assignment between now and 12 p.m. tomorrow, okay. Between now and 12 p.m. tomorrow, I'll be expecting your assignment. Do a screenshot, a screen record, okay. Do a screen record or a screenshot of your program and it running. Just either a screenshot or you do a screen record. Show me your program and it is running on Replit.com. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Have a wonderful night rest. Thank you very much.